Hello everyone. In this video we will try to understand few legal concepts in which Supreme Court has made differentiation, and the judgment name in which we will see the differentiation between these words are is M. Sundaresh, Honorable Justice in Union of India and others versus and Muru Gason Civil Appeal number 2491-2492 of 2021. Now, in this case, Supreme Court has made the clear differentiation between few words, and those words are delay, second one is laches or laches, next one is acquiescence, ACQUIESCENCE, acquiescence. Fourth one is Estoppel, and fifth one is prejudice. Prejudice. Now, in this judgment, we will see the differentiation between in these words. Now, what court says? What court says? Delay means a general term for being late in taking legal action. A general term, delay is a general term for being late in taking legal action. On the other hand, laches means legal delay that result in unfairness to the other party. So in delay, we can only see that that delay is being taken place only in taking the legal action, but on the other hand, in laches, we can see that because of that delay, a party has to suffer from unfairness. Okay, the another party has to suffer from unfairness. The delay will result in unfairness to the other party. Okay, this was laches. Third one is acquiescence. Now, acquiescence means accepting something passively or without protest. Means you are just agreeing on it without creating or without making any denial. We are just accepting it. That is acquiescence. Estoppel. Estoppel means a thing in which a court stop the person to make the contradiction statement that he had already made. For example, a person made two statements. In first, he said something XYZ, but in further statement, in subsequent statement, he said ABC. Now both are contradict. So in this situation, court deny that you can't make the different or contradictory statement in further procedure. So that is estoppel. And prejudice means harm or disadvantage to a party in legal context. Okay. Now, what the judge says in this case that delay, laches, and acquiescence are often related, but they are not the same. So, the above 3 points are maybe related, but they are not same. For example, delay is a big concept. On the other hand, laches and acquiescence are types of delays. Types of delay. Second word, laches, when someone delay taking action and that delay harm the other side. Third point, acquiescence is when someone silently accepts something by not objecting. Fourth, sometimes only acquiescence is present without laches or vice versa. Means somewhere laches is present and acquiescence is missing. These ideas help court to decide whether a case is too late to be allowed, especially when laws about time limits like Indian Limitation Act are involved. So, court must balance strict legal rules with fairness, and this is where ideas like Estoppel and Prejudice come in. Court must consider if someone will be unfairly hurt if the case is allowed after a long. So, the main idea is judge use these principles delay, laches, acquiescence to decide if a case should be allowed after a delay. Even though these terms seem similar, they serve different purposes. They are used carefully to ensure justice is not denied by unnecessary delays without compromising fairness. So, in this case, we will see the differentiation between these five words, that is delay, laches, acquiescence, estoppel, and prejudice.